Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to another video, a fresh video from Mumbai. And now I'm going to Dhobi Ghat from here. Crossing Mumbai road is not easy. So we arrived at Dhobi Ghat against these skyscrapers. And there is, the cars are coming fast and thick. Let's go run. Watch out, watch out, watch out. That is how you're crossing. Welcome to Dhobi Ghat. So this is the place that they are washing most of the laundries of Mumbai. Namaste. So they made a viewpoint. Namaste ji. Hello. कैसे हो? ठीक है?
आप कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ.
हम सेलिंग करते मैग्नेट लेके जाओ.
मैग्नेट.
सर मैग्नेट लेके जाइए.
No, I don't need it now.
You look laundry after buy, okay?
Okay, okay.
I'm waiting. Look.
Yeah. Can I go down?
So you go down, prepare money because they here Indian guide.
Oh.
But it's good, yeah. You go down here.
There, okay. Let's see. Okay, so this is called Dhobi Ghat. Dhobi means laundry. Ghat? What does it mean, Ghat? भैया ये घाट का मतलब क्या होता है? घाट घाट धोबी घाट बोल. और लाउंड्री जैसे धोबी लाउंड्री होता है. ये पूरा मुंबई का इधर लाते हैं. Biggest one. Oh, the biggest Dhobi Ghat. Yeah? It is amazing. You're living here?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is the laundry.
So how is it?
My house is other side.
Other side.
But I'm not washing, just selling.
Oh, so can I go walk?
Yeah, you walk in the here.
Oh, go down there, yeah?
Yeah.
No problem?
No problem, you go down.
कोई मसला तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं, लेकिन पैसा लेता है.
पैसा लेता है कितना?
वो मालूम नहीं उधर
एक रुपया?
मालूम नहीं.
अभी नहीं है.
लेके जाऊं मुंबई का.
हाँ? बाद में.
मुंबई का कपड़ा आता है.
हाँ, पूरा बम्बई का
होटल
कपड़ा.
का, हॉस्पिटल का, फैक्ट्री का, यूनिफॉर्म का.
हाँ, सारा. नाम क्या है तुम्हारा?
तन्नू.
तन्नू.
काजल.
Kajal. Oh, beautiful name, beautiful name. Kajal Tanu. So this is Dhobi Ghat. Friendly ladies
बैग लेके जाओ.
from here explaining some of the interesting information about this place. So let's go maybe check a little bit down there. They're saying they will charge you, but I'm not sure. ये 200 में
300 रुपया करो सर.
नहीं
जान दो. 200 में जाएगा आपको लेके 50
200 करते.
अच्छा,
चलो 200
लेके जाओ घुमा के लेके.
ओके वी एग्री.
50 करो. हाँ, एक एक्स्ट्रा 50. नहीं जान दो. 200
करते
लेके जा.
So we agreed on a price here, 200 rupees, and these guys helping, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, this is our tour guide. What's your name?
Inam Rajesh.
Inam?
Rajesh.
Rajesh. Mr. Rajesh is guiding us here. So let's go inside Dhobi Ghat. So here is lots of places, sections.
Where you from, sir?
London.
London.
Yeah, ji.
My Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah.
You from Mumbai.
Yeah, Mumbai.
Okay, wonderful. So people live in here as well?
Yeah.
People live here, yeah? They have. उनके घर इधर है.
घर इधर ही है.
हाँ.
हम लोग रहते हैं इधर ही, घुमाते हैं. अभी वो लोग क्या वो लोग ले लिए, अब अपन को घुमाएंगे तो जो खुशी से देने का देता ही.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं.
अच्छा रहता है.
चलो 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 चलते हैं. घूम कर. नमस्ते. उधर से.
वॉशिंग मशीन.
हाँ, ये. This is the washing machine.
वॉशिंग मशीन. 300-400 कपड़े धुए जाते हैं. 300-400
piece of clothes goes into the machine, and this is the dryer. Okay.
लॉन्ड्री.
Namaste.
लॉन्ड्री पैकिंग.
So this is.
My hand wash.
Oh, this is the hand wash.
Hand wash.
Yeah, this is the hand wash.
No
So this is.
machine, no machine, no dryer.
Yeah,
It is hand wash.
this is the
Chemical wash.
traditional.
Yeah.
Traditional machine. So they are washing. Okay.
अंजू बोला ना इधर.
So we are walking in these alleys, dark places. So this is dryer. Dryer. So this is big ones, huh? No. Oh, from here. Okay. So you're not allowed with
Packing.
your shoes. Packing and sending back to the company, yeah?
Yeah.
Namaskar. And people living here as well.
Travel is guest house.
Oh, guest hotels, yeah?
Hotel line.
Oh.
Inside.
Hotels, towels, they are washing here.
Guest house है क्या?
नमस्ते.
How are you?
कैसे हो? ठीक हो?
बढ़िया है.
बढ़िया है. हम भी बढ़िया. So it's a kind of residential as well.
My Thandi jacket.
Oh, jacket, yeah, jacket. For cold weather, yeah?
Yeah.
For cold weather, yeah.
600, 700. Yeah.
Oh,
600, 700.
price, yeah?
Price.
इसका price 600 है,
हाँ.
हाँ. आप लोग बेचते हैं इधर?
नहीं मेरा नहीं, वो लोग का है.
वो लोगों बेचते हैं.
हाँ, वो लोग बेचते
अच्छा.
धुलाई के लिए आता है, धुलाई होके चले जाता है.
हाँ.
जैसे ये धुलाई के लिए
Yeah, so these people they bring it here
30 rupees,
for wash it.
4 rupees.
30 rupees, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
No clip. Clip
Oh,
no.
no clip. Oh, this is a
No
nice,
clip.
yeah, nice trick in there. There's a-
Rassi.
They are twisting the rope,
Yeah,
so just they
Rassi.
put between the twists. Actually, this is a clever idea. Namaste. चलो चलते हैं.
My toilet.
Huh?
Toilet.
Toilet in here, yeah? And there's in the backdrop of these high towers. Oh, they are ironing in here.
Yeah, iron.
Yeah, ironing.
Iron.
Yeah.
It's 10 rupees. A shirt piece 10 rupees.
10 rupees, yeah? Per
Yeah.
iron, yeah.
Shirt pant 20 rupees.
Shirt,
Pant
pant and shirt,
20.
20 rupees.
20.
Trouser and shirt,
Yeah.
20 rupees.
Laundry is packing.
Yeah, this is packing, yeah.
Yeah.
Ironing, packing, yeah?
Iron is packing.
Ironing and packing in here.
Yeah.
Very hard job. I personally don't like ironing.
छोटा धोबी घाट, ये बड़ा धोबी घाट.
Oh, chota, that is small Dhobi Ghat.
बड़ा धोबी.
This is big one. Wonderful. I didn't know that they have these machines in here. This is interesting. So they have this machine in here. Okay, we are going up the stairs now.
ऐसा है गुड लक घुमाता हूँ अच्छा
हाँ
देखो पूरा एरिया कैसा है
पूरा एरिया दिख रहा है इधर से.
हाँ वो आउटसाइड
That's the view point.
हाँ ऐसा है ना अलाउड उधर है
हाँ
उधर से फोटो खींच सकते हैं
हाँ।
ऐसा अलाउड खींचो
इधर से नहीं।
फाइन है
हाँ इधर है.
ऑफिस
नमस्ते, कैसे हो? ठीक हो? बढ़िया.
टॉवल है
टॉवल है. हाँ ये
हाँ।
शीट है
वो हॉस्पिटल का है
हॉस्पिटल का है.
हाँ
हाँ सब इधर आते हैं.
सब इधर आते हैं धुलाई के लिए
आप लोग ऐसे साफ धोते हो ना?
हाँ सब
Very
कम्बल
clean.
विम्बल डाल के
So
केमिकल
they are saying that they are washing it very clean. So
Yeah.
hospitals, hotels, companies everywhere, they bring it in here to wash.
न्यू
their stuff.
मुंबई
New Mumbai, yeah.
बिल्डिंग
There is a contrast between
Hong Kong
those buildings
one.
and this one. The big one. Okay. Okay. किधर? चलो भाई.
चलो
हाँ.
आराम से ऐसे पकड़ ली
So going down this steep stairs. So this is the biggest section of the Dhobi Ghat, which is
ड्राई
this is dryer again here. The buttons here. Wash.
वॉशिंग मशीन
Washing machine, yeah. Big, it's बहुत बड़ा है.
बहुत बड़ा है इसमें
Very big.
200-300 कपड़ा धुलाई जाता है
200-300 piece of clothes.
न्यू
Namaste.
न्यू मुंबई
From factory.
या
हाँ.
500 600
Big section.
500 का 600 का न्यू
उनका चार्ज कितना करते हैं आप लोग?
ये ड्राई
नो पैसा कितना लेते हैं उसका?
उसका धुलाई का 20 रुपया
20 रुपया पर
एक
आइटम.
कपड़े का
एक कपड़े का.
हाँ।
जबरदस्त. चलो भाई. Here everything is operational in here. This is dryer. Namaste. Draining the water. Namaste.
Namaste, namaste. Sab master.
Sub master?
Sab master.
Maybe master.
Okay.
Okay.
Table.
Table for wedding, yeah? Wedding hall. नमस्ते भाई, कैसे हो? ठीक हो?
जैसे दिखा लेते
हाँ.
नीचे का ही एक नहीं सिखाया
So they are washing all the
या कि
new clothes, old clothes.
हाँ
पुराना कपड़े है कि नया
लॉन्ड्री
कपड़े?
लॉन्ड्री
Laundry. Nice. चलो भाई. Oh, we have a carpenter in here. कैसे हो भाई? ठीक हो?
यही सब है आपको देखने मिलेगा
हाँ.
आ जाओ तुमको एक बार दिखा देता हूँ ऐसे।
हाँ, चलो. Here is the drying lines, yeah?
हाँ, right.
So they are drying sheets, cotton
Very
sheets.
good. ये रुमाल
Rumal, yeah, this is pillow sheets, yeah. Pillow sheets from
ये
hotel,
sheet-
yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bed cover.
Bed cover, yeah.
Then
Yeah. Dhobi Ghat. चलो भाई. So this is also their residential areas that they are sleeping and eating. नमस्ते.
ये नीचे का देखिए.
हाँ इधर का. वो आगे नहीं जा सकते?
नहीं आगे नहीं. आगे थोड़ी
पैकिंग है. हाँ? ये थोड़ी सी आगे उस तरफ.
हाँ?
थोड़ी सी आगे उस तरफ.
उस तरफ वो पैकिंग है सब. ये की है.
नहीं नहीं उसका उधर का देखना है.
हाँ?
उधर का देखना है.
सेम है.
नहीं उधर एरिया को देखना है.
तो यही एरिया वो है.
And I think maybe we'll finish it here or we will go outside and finish it. Okay guys, I'll be back, and this is Dhobi Ghat in Mumbai. So this is, I was always fascinated what is inside Dhobi Ghat, but now I will see it is just like a town, like a residential area. People are working and living here, and they have most of the basic amenities and facilities in here. So I think it would be an interesting place we want to see. This is more modernized side of this one with machines. They are doing is very noisy. And they have dryers here. Hello. How are you? Not bad. You good, okay? Namaste.
I don't know.
सर
Thank you. धन्यवाद भाई.
आपकी सेवा जो खुशी से दे दें.
So that was the tour of Dhobi Ghat. That's the tour of Dhobi Ghat. I hope that you guys like the video. If you like it, smash the like button and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button not to miss any of these videos. Will be updated in the near future. So I will see you guys with a new video. Take care. Oh, I nearly was knocked over with that bunch of clothes over there. Okay guys, have a nice one. Ta-da! We have these keen ladies here. They want to sell stuff on me, and the price are quite expensive.
Not expensive.
Expensive. It's expensive.
You give me medium and I'm small.
You have to give me good price.
I'm good price. Yeah, really.
अच्छा price दे दो.
Okay, how much you okay? I'm
अच्छा
discount.
ये 20 rupees. 20 rupees.
So 20 rupees with chocolate binos.
Chocolate. You can't buy chocolate as well, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't have that much money to give you 200 for that one.
All of Mumbai postcards, so. So you take my
All
bag.
of Mumbai.
Okay, that's hotel, the museum.
Yeah, but you're asking for a lot of money.
Not lot of money, sir. You pay cheaper because my first customer today.
So how much is your cheaper?
The 400 cheaper price.
400 is cheaper
Yeah.
price.
But you take this and be discount, so how much your good price?
No, not postcard.
Take?
Maybe I will get this one.
I'm be take. No,